Left lane was slow. Right lane looked clear. The car beside you was hiding everything. Here's what right lane overtaking actually looks like from the front. Here's the geometry. When you're alongside a car in the left lane, it creates a solid wall of zero visibility in the right lane ahead of you. Roughly 60 meters of nothing you can see. Anything in that zone, a broken down car, a motorcycle, a pedestrian, appears at 15 to 20 meters. At 60 kilometers an hour, that's 1 second. You cannot stop in 1 second. 4 things hide in the right lane. A broken down car with hazards. You might see the flashing light at the last moment. A motorcyclist moving slowly through traffic. The speed difference alone makes it dangerous. A cyclist near the curb. Almost no visual warning. And a pedestrian crossing between lanes. Any of these at 15 meters and 60 kilometers an hour ends badly. All 4 are common. All 4 are invisible behind the car alongside you. Before any right lane move, 3 checks in this order. Right mirror, over the shoulder blind spot. Then look as far ahead in the right lane as you can see. If all 3 are clear and you can see at least 6 seconds of road ahead, the move is available. Skip any one of the 3 and you're moving blind into whatever is hiding there. The original rule was 100 meters. Here's why that doesn't work. 100 meters at 90 kilometers an hour is 4 seconds. At 4 seconds, you have almost no margin for something appearing in that lane. 6 seconds of clear, visible road ahead is the minimum. That's reaction time plus stopping distance plus a margin for the unexpected. If you can't see 6 seconds ahead, you wait. One more thing. On a single carriageway, 1 lane in each direction, overtaking on the right is prohibited in most jurisdictions. On a multi-lane road, it's generally permitted, but the rules vary. Knowing the legal position matters, but legality doesn't make the maneuver safe. The geometry is the same regardless of what's permitted. The blind zone exists, whether or not you're allowed to be there. 3 things to do instead. Hold your distance and wait. Traffic self-organizes faster than most drivers think. If there's a second lane to the left and it's clear, move further left, not right, or simply increase your following distance and reduce the urgency. Right lane overtaking saves an average of 30 seconds per maneuver. The risk profile doesn't match the time saved. Mirror, blind spot check, 6 seconds of clear road ahead. All 3 every time. If anyone is missing, you wait. The right lane hides things the left lane doesn't. The car beside you is a wall. Save this and share it. Right lane overtaking is where patience stops being a virtue and starts being a survival skill.